If you don't like worrying about online scams but still use the internet every day, then it's time to get serious about cybersecurity. Every day, scammers are cooking up new tricks: phishing emails, fake job offers, identity theft, and more. Anyone can be a target, not just big companies. But here's the good news: you don't have to face these threats alone. Abhedya Cyber Solutions is your shield against cybercrime. We scan your devices and data for threats, investigate fraud, and even train you to spot scams before they get you. Our team works around the clock to keep you and your business safe. Don't wait for a cyber attack to strike. Take action now. Join us to build a safer digital world. Contact Abhedya Cyber Solutions today and make your digital world unbreakable.